Okay, Nandini, welcome to this mock interview.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure having you here. And to start with, we will start with a brief introduction of yours,
Yes.
which includes broad details about your family members, their professions,
Yes, sir.
your academic achievements and academic journey per se,
Yes, sir.
hobbies and interests, your participation in games, sports, extracurricular activities, right from your school days.
Yes, sir.
And what did you learn from the SSB experience that you had so far? And what propels you to choose armed forces as one of your career choice out of so many careers choices that are available to the students these days?
Sure.
You may continue.
Okay, sir. So my name is Nandini Rawat. I am from Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Talking about my educational details, I have completed my +2 from Haridwar itself, from PCM stream. Then for my graduation, I moved to Ramjas College, Delhi University, and I have pursued Bachelor of Arts, and my subjects were History and Political Science. Currently, I am a final year student of Masters of Arts in Sociology. Talking about my family consists of 4 members: my father, my mother, my younger sister, and me. My father is a government teacher in Dehradun. My mother is a housewife. My younger sister is currently in her first year of BTech Engineering from TEHRI, IHTC. Then coming towards my extracurricular activities, since my school days, I have been an active participant in sports and games. I have played judo for 8 years, in which I secured a silver position in my nationals. Apart from judo, I have also played football, in which I have went up to Subroto Cup state level, then athletics as well. In school days, I participated in debate competitions, and I've even managed the events by comparing or anchoring in the events. Coming towards my college events, I was a part in NCC. Also, I was elected as the women's judo team captain in my college. Then we have also organized the state level program about the importance of our Hindu calendar in my college. Then in my NCC, I was appointed as the senior under officer, which is the highest rank. And during my NCC years, I have completed 4 national camps. And in the final year, I was also awarded with ADG commendation. Coming about my hobbies and interests, I love to listen to music and play sports and games. Now my motivation to join the armed forces, sir, I believe the dynamic features of my personality has always been motivated me towards a disciplined and systematic life. Also, since I was a part of the NCC family, so I have a exposure about what kind of life does the armed forces lead you to. So that has always attracted me. And so for my experience in the Doon Defense Academy, so I believe the teachers over here not only prepare you for the interview, but they also give you insights about the geopolitical scenario and how to develop your personality, not only for the interview but also for the any life events. So since I have been here, I believe that I have developed in the characteristics of knowing about the geopolitical scenario and having my opinion on different objects.
Fine enough. You had been an active person, both sides, academics as well as sports.
Yes.
Naturally, the Fauji career, which is mix of both, suits you better. So your choice of armed forces as a career is understandable. But with that, a lot of preparation needs to be done, specifically towards the SSB, though it is said that it is your natural aptitude that will pull you through in the SSB.
Yes, sir.
But still some kind of a polishing on various matters like current affairs and GK
Yes.
has to be practiced
Yes.
beforehand, before you start opening up for the tasks that are given to you.
Sure.
So if we go towards the preparation of current affairs, how did you go about preparing and synchronizing this preparation so that you are able to perform better in the SSB?
Sure, sir. So, soon after completing my college, I knew that I had to pursue my career in defense forces, and for that, I knew the importance of current affairs. So, I started to develop a habit of reading newspapers. I read the Indian Express every day in the morning. Then, for the monthly basis, I read the magazine Pratyogita Darpan, in which there is a consensus of all the news which are there in the on the month basis. Also, sir, during the night when all of the day is ending and I am in a relaxing mood, so I just open up the YouTube and go through the Sunset TV YouTube channel or different news channels, and I just have a short videos about what all were done today.
Okay. Nice that you are taking pains to prepare yourself to the best of your capability, because competition is stiff, it is understandable.
Yes, sir.
And very nice having you here, and thank you very much for your presence.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.